Hello everyone. Good morning. Let's talk about something almost everyone does every single day, yet very few people actually do correctly. Face cleansing. It sounds simple, right? Wash your face, dry it, move on. But according to dermatologists, cleansing is one of the most misunderstood steps in skincare. Many people cleanse too aggressively. Others barely cleanse at all. Some use the wrong products. Some destroy their skin barrier without even realizing it. And the result? Breakouts, excess oil, dryness, sensitivity, dull, irritated skin. So today, we're going to walk through a dermatologist recommended face cleansing routine step by step, based on skin science, not myths. Whether you have oily skin, dry skin, acne-prone skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, this routine will help you understand how cleansing actually works. Step 1. Wash your hands first. This is the most ignored step. Your hands carry bacteria, oil, dirt, germs. Touching your face with dirty hands equals spreading acne-causing bacteria. Dermatologists strongly recommend wash hands with soap before touching your face. Simple but critical. Step 2. USE Lucky W Warm Water *. Hot water feels relaxing, but dermatologists warn, hot water strips natural oils, causes dryness and irritation. Weakens skin barrier. Cold water doesn't dissolve oil effectively. On Firstix lukewarm water is ideal. It cleans without shocking the skin. CPT2s, the right cleanser. This is where most people go wrong. Let's break it down by skin type. For oily skin, dermatologists recommend gel cleansers, foaming cleansers, light formulations. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid, niacinamide, gentle surfactants. Avoid harsh sulfates. Alcohol-heavy cleansers. Goal: remove excess oil without overdrying. Overdrying actually increases oil production. For dry skin, dermatologists recommend cream cleansers, hydrating cleansers, milk cleansers. Look for glycerin, ceramides, hyaluronic acid. Avoid strong foaming cleansers. Overly stripping formulas. Goal: clean plus preserve moisture. For sensitive skin, dermatologists recommend fragrance-free cleansers, minimal ingredient formulas, non-foaming cleansers. Look for soothing ingredients, panthenol, allantoin, barrier-supporting agents. Avoid fragrance. Essential oils. Essential oils. Strong acids. Goal: strong acids. Goal: protect barrier plus reduce irritation. For HE1 skin, dermatologists recommend gentle active cleansers. Look for salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, low strength, niacinamide. Important. Cleanse gently. Acne skin is inflamed skin. Harsh cleansing worsens breakouts. For combination skin, dermatologists recommend balanced gel or gentle foam cleanser. Goal: crude oil plus prevent dryness. Step 4. How to properly cleanser correctly. Most people either use too much, use too little. Scrub aggressively. Dermatologist technique. Use a small coin-sized amount. Gently massage. Use fingertips only. Massage for 30 to 60 seconds. Why? Because cleansing is an chemical process, not a scrubbing process. The cleanser needs time to dissolve. Oil, dirt, sunscreen, makeup residue. Scrubbing harder does not clean better. It only irritates. Step 5. Massage patternisk. Dermatologists suggest circular motions. Circular motions. Focus on oily zones. T-zone. Avoid aggressive rubbing. Pulling skin downward. Your skin is delicate. Treat it like silk, not leather. Step 6. Rinse thorax. Residue left behind can cause breakouts, irritation, dullness, breakouts, irritation. Rinse completely with lukewarm water. No cleanser should remain. Step 7. Pat Dree, don't rub rubbing with towel. Was micro damage. DAWS is micro damage. NUS. Triggers redness. NUS. Increases sensitivity dermatologist advice. Use soft towel. Gently pat dry. Leave slight dampness for next step. Step 8. Flow immediately with moisturizer. This is crucial. Dermatologists call this the cleansing window. After cleansing, skin loses moisture rapidly. Applying moisturizer immediately locks hydration, protects barrier, prevents tightness. Even oily skin needs moisturizer. Skipping moisturizer increases oil production. Morning cleansing routine. Dermatologists recommend gentle cleanse. Remove overnight oil and sweat. Evening cleansing routine. Estering evening cleansing is more important because skin accumulates dirt, pollution, sunscreen, makeup. Sebum dermatologists often recommend geogrist * double cleansing. If wearing sunscreen makeup, double cleansing map. Step 1. Oil-based cleanser * removes sunscreen, makeup, excess oil * Step 2. Water-based cleanser sweat, dirt, frizz. This method cleans deeply without harshness. How often should you cleanse? Dermatologist consensus, twice daily, morning and night. Over-cleansing risks. Barrier damage. Barrier damage. Irritation. Increased oil production unless medically advised. Avoid excessive washing. Common cleansing the stacks. Let's address major dermatologist warnings. Mistake 1. Overwashing. More washing. Cleaner skin. It usually means keg. More irritation. More irritation. Mistake 2. Harsh scrubs daily. Has physical exfoliation every day. Damages skin barrier. Damages is burment. Triggers inflammation. Dermatologists recommend exfoliation * 1-3 times weekly. Mistake 3. Using body soap on face as body soap is too harsh. Different pH, different formulation. Mistake 4. Cleansing too quickly. 5-second wash equals ineffective cleansing. Shaft. Mistake 5. Ignoring moisturizer off leads to imbalance and barrier damage. The role of exfoliation. Dermatologists emphasize chemical exfoliants often gentler than scrubs. Examples: AHAs, enzyme exfoliants. Purpose: remove dead skin cells. Remove dead skin cells. Crimped texture. Prevent clogged pores. But moderation is key. Lifestyle factors that affect cleansing. Dermatologists also consider diet style, hydration, sleep, stress style factor. Final dermatologist message: perfect cleansing is not about expensive products, aggressive washing, complicated steps. It's about consistency, gentleness, skin type awareness, barrier protection. 1. Surfactants. The real cleansing agents. Surfactants are the ingredients that remove oil, dirt, sweat, sunscreen, makeup residue. They work by breaking down substances that water alone cannot remove. But here's the critical point: strength matters. Harsh surfactants. Strip natural oils. Strip natural oils. Disrupt skin barrier. Trigger irritation. Gentle surfactants. Clean effectively. Preserve moisture. Maintain barrier health. Dermatologists often recommend * mild surfactant systems. 2. Hydrating ingredients. Modern cleansers are not just cleaners. They are also * barrier support products. Common dermatologist-approved hydrators: glycerin, hyaluronic acid, panthenol, ceramides. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay cool.